Man, that's crazy.
That's your mama
It's the way I walk. It's the way I move.
It's the way I walk,
It's the way I move.
it's the way I talk,
It's the things I do.
It's the way I play it cool that separates me and you. I ain't you, you ain't me. You can't fit these shoes.
it's the way I walk,
It's the way I move.
it's the way I talk,
It's the things I do.
It's the way I play it cool that separates me and you. I ain't you, you ain't me. You can't fit these shoes. Is it the way I walk or the way I talk that differentiates me from other fellows? Is it the way I rock or the way I knock that got the bitches coming up and saying hello? See, I'm cool like aloe, you soft like marshmallows. I'm swimming in deep waters, you so stuck up in the shallows. The shadows, your own, you ain't chillin' in mine. Go make your own, man, and better making use of your time. Cause I'm ahead, I say ahead, I'm way ahead of your prime. Shed crops, set shops, then go set up a line. Then I grind to the death, rhyme to the death, to the point that I'm legend and the pride of the West. Watch me ride with the best. Take Buddha, yeah, that's me, boy. At the main objective, never set up as a decoy. Mission is possible, like everything around me. Ain't trying to prove nothing, I'm just trying to astound
Y'all can imitate what I demonstrate, but never come close. I'm in the state of mind to take my time with what I love most. Get blown away like butt smoke out of your soul. I'm so alone on my own shit, my own road. Y'all clowns sound like bozos. Vocals and instruments, I'm infinite with both those. Y'all be falling down while I grip the ground like low pro. So what, I'm local. The flow gon' make me global. Try to tell me otherwise will only make me local. Won't go any further, hurdle over narrow minds. I paralyze my opponents right before the arrow flies. But the bow that I shoot from only suits one pair of eyes. You and I are not the same. My shoes been known to terrorize the rarest kind. This chair is mine, whether or not the music plays. So many wanna be Superman, nobody wants to save the day. He who stands for nada will fall for anything. So I'll be here in my pair, they wouldn't fit you anyway.
Fit my survival, so walk my own path. I blaze my own trail and calculate my own math. On a mission to prevail, I'm on the grind like my old man. Not sure you right, it's so divine, bringing that flow back. Been making hip-hop music since the mid-90s. My big brother schooled me proper, so I'm still rocking. It feels good to look back and know I still got it. It's up to me to show the youth what this hip-hop is. You never heard of me, homie, that's understandable. Just know you never murdered me. On this mic, I'm a cannibal, yeah. I'm heavily armed with those flows, I spit your cantaloupe. Now I walk the walk while you just talk, I got the antidote. I never fail to see the beauty in the path that we stroll. I see the glass is half full and never empty, you know. I show love and get it back, it's so in touch with my soul. And that's the fact that separates me from the rest of these clones.